back to the Henna Guys Frequently Asked Questions. My name is Breanna, and today we're going to be talking about how much time henna takes to dye your hair. So if it is your first time dyeing with henna, there is a little bit of a learning curve. Check out our other videos on our tips on how to make that process easier. But you can have a friend help you, which will shorten the process a little bit, especially to get the back of your head. And then we definitely recommend using a dye application brush to section out your hair and make the process go a little bit faster. Typically, depending on the length of your hair, this can take anywhere from 15 to 30 minutes to actually apply the henna to your hair. From there, depending on the color that you want, you can leave it on for as short as an hour if you want a lighter color, or if you're new to henna and just want to see what the color looks like, or 3 hours if you know you love the color, you want that full bold look. Since henna is permanent, we do recommend doing a strand test. You can either do that with a section of your hair from under your ear, or you can use a few strands from your hairbrush. You can do a test with 1 hour leaving it on, or up to 3 hours to see what color you end up liking best. All this to say, the entire process from start to finish can be about 2 to 4 hours. But again, you are doing this in the comfort of your own home, so you're able to watch TV, do some chores, hang out on the couch, versus being stuck in a salon for that amount of time. That's it for this frequently asked questions. Stay tuned for more from the Henna Guys.